I am test driving. I know this instrument panel, this instrument dash needs no introduction. It's a PT Cruiser, second generation. But it's got some major problems, man. I'm driving, so it really y'all see that check engine light? Well, it was flashing a minute ago, guys. Flashing. Everybody know what a flashing check engine light means. That means you should not be driving it. Alright? One of my other videos, matter of fact, I'll link it in the bottom. I'll put it right here. I talked about 3 fault codes that you should shut her down. Just shut her down. You should shut it down. You should not be driving. And a flashing check engine light, P0300 or P03 anything. Cylinder misfire, hard cylinder misfire is what that means. You should not be driving, man, because you're sending unburned fuel to your cats, and you are ruining your cat converters. Now, this is the car my daughter drives. I've been getting beat up by 0303, a cylinder 3 misfire for the past, I know, a good 3 months. It is now time for my patented, and I tell y'all this all the time, here I am falling in the same trap. It is time for a compression test, and I likely have a burnt exhaust valve, okay? But I don't really want to go off assumption. I want to take y'all along for the ride with me. So we're going to go in the shop, man. We're going to do a compression test on this thing. And like I say, man, I'm highly suspected cylinder 3 is low on compression. And I'm highly suspected I have burnt exhaust valves. It's a common issue with it's 2.4 liter engine on the exhaust valve side. Okay, so without speculating and talking about it, man, let's go inside the shop and let's check this thing out, man. No sense wasting time, man. So y'all stay with me, man. I will be right back. I'm going to the shop. We're going to diagnose this thing right now. Stay with me. Alright guys, welcome back. I am back. As you can see, or as you saw, using my new Pittsburgh compression gauge. Yes, Harbor Freight, baby, it works pretty good. Now, like I say, I bought that for the 3.6s. Alright, I haven't done a compression test on the 3.6 yet, but I end up having to use it on my PT Cruiser. As you saw, cylinder number 3 is low. Okay, now let me keep in mind when you're doing compression tests, you really want to do the test on all cylinders, not just the one you have in question, because you need something to compare those to. Okay, so say for instance, if you have a problem out of cylinder 3, don't just do cylinder 3 because, well, it makes no sense. You want to compare it with the other 3 cylinders if it's a 4-cylinder engine. Okay, you don't know if cylinder 3 low if you don't know what the other 3 cylinders are. That makes sense? All right, so yes, man, I'm gonna have to pull the head. There's no way around it. I've been trying to get out of this for the last 3 years, I know, but that nagging misfire, if your PT Cruiser has a nagging misfire, no matter what you throw at it, it just won't go away. Guys, it's past time for a compression test. I know better, but this is my car and nobody's going to pay me to do my own car, so I put it off. You may not have that luxury, and you shouldn't, because all you're doing with constant misfire is sending unburned fuel to your cat converters, and you are ruining them. Okay, so I don't condone that at all. Get that fixed as soon as possible. Now, here's what I'm going to predict, what I'm going to find when I remove this cylinder head. I have removed the cylinder head. All right, look at this. Alright, y'all see these? These are new. I already ordered my parts because I done a million of these. I know exactly what I'm going to find. These are exhaust valves. What I'm going to find when I pull the head off is the cylinder 3 exhaust valve is going to be pitted. Alright, that's where my loss to compression coming from. I've seen them just totally eaten up right on the face of the valve. Okay, as you know, exhaust valve is under extreme heat. A lot of heat. Okay, now what I'm also end up doing, or what I'm also do, because this is my theory, this is what I think going on. Okay, I have 2 valve stem oil seals right here. Okay, now what I'm thinking, I've been saying this for years and I'm sticking to my analysis. Okay, I'm thinking these are leaking. Oil is getting on that exhaust valve because these are exhaust valves. They are built for extreme heat. Okay, it's not like they don't know the environment that they're going to be in. They are built for this. So if one is burnt, either it's just a poorly made valve, or how is that so? I don't know. But my theory is oil is leaking past the valve stem oil seal. When a drop of oil hit the face of the valve and those valves study opening and closing, over time it's just going to pit. It's just going to merely start coming apart. Okay, now, so which brings up the question, why not do all of them? Well, I'm only going to concentrate on cylinder 3. I don't think she's going to have the car much longer, so I just want to get it to where the misfire is gone and it would pass emissions. So I'm merely fixing the problem, not going further. Okay, this is my personal car. Give me a break. All right, now if you're working on a customer car, I highly recommend you not go that route. I highly recommend you do. First of all, I don't know how many shops still doing valve job, because basically that's what I'm doing in a nutshell. I'm fixing to do a valve job, but I will lap. I have some lapping compound. I will lap in new exhaust valves, make sure it's seating properly, put on new valve stem oil seals. I have a new, where is it? New head gasket right here, multi-layered steel head gasket. It's not. I'm replacing this not because it blew, or it blow as y'all like to say. This is multi-layered steel. If you got a problem with this, or if you think you got a problem with this, you got a problem with your aluminum cylinder head. Okay, a lot of people blame this for the overheating PT Cruiser. Man, it's a lot of things that can cause a PT Cruiser to overheat. All right, this is one. If this is the problem, I have yet to see one that's the problem. Not saying it doesn't happen. I'm just merely talking about me. I'm entitled to my own opinion. All right, so I got a lot of work to do, guys. So let me start yanking this head off. I got to get going. We work half a day Saturday. I may make it, I may not. I don't know, but I will keep y'all up to date. But for now, I got a lot of work to do. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all on the next video.